So, hello everyone, my name is Pat Ugu II, the founder of Akane EdTech. You are welcome to this discussion. In this video, I am going to show you different software that you can use for screen recording. What is screen recording? Screen recorder software is a computer application used to record screen activities. It has the ability to record keyboard strokes, mouse clicks, audio sounds, and even video by using webcam. Now, let us quickly look at some of these screen recorders. But before we do that, here are uses of screen recorder. Screen recorder can be used for teaching online. It can be used to record presentation. It helps in software simulation. Screen recorder can also be used to record step-by-step processes. Now the list. Number 1 is Freecom. Freecom is a free and simple screen recorder software with an inbuilt audio and video editor. It has intuitive and attractive interface, which allows you to create screencasts with ease. Though this is a free software, but it does not leave watermark to your finished work. Another one is Sharex. Sharex is an open source recording tool that has a lot of premium features you will see in a paid screen readers. This recording software is mostly used by developers and advanced users. A beginner user may get confused because of its numerous features. Number 3, OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a powerful free and open source software for a screen recording and live streaming. With OBS Studio, you can capture scenes from multiple sources. Examples of scenes that you can capture are applications, browser windows, webcam, and so on. It has a lot of features that may be too much for someone who needs a basic tool for screen recording. Number 4, Camtasia. Camtasia is a professional all-in-one screen recorder software for educators and businesses. It can be used to create video tutorials, instructional video, and software simulations. Camtasia screen recorder is flexible when it comes to animation and general video effects. It also has the ability to create quizzes and interactive videos. In number 5, we'll have Sceencast-O-Matic. Sceencast-O-Matic is a browser-based, free and subscription-based screen recorder with so many features to offer. The free version of this screen recorder has a limitation of 15 minutes. Upgrading to a deluxe account offers more features without restrictions. Number 6 is Active Presenter. Active Presenter is one of the best choice at Akane EdTech. We have used this tool to create so many videos in our YouTube channels. This screen recorder software has free and paid versions. The simplicity in Active Presenter makes it easy that even a beginner or someone who already have PowerPoint knowledge can use it. In number 7, we have Flashback Express. Flashback is a new screen recorder with full motion based features. It has simple interface that helps users to quickly get to what they want. This screen recorder has the ability to record screen activities and also captures webcam. Finally, but not the least, is Femoral Screen. Femoral Screen is another trusted screen recorder software that is loved by many and game players in particular. It has the ability to capture fast-paced game scenes and simultaneously recording a webcam video. Femoral Screen provides basic editing options and other tutorial features that can help teachers. These are some of the paid and free screen recorders. There are so many of them which you may find from our description below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.